Hello engineers, welcome once again to Nova Construction. This project has shown that, as you see in the picture, this project has been fed. This retaining wall has been fed. It shows that the factor of safety is 1.33, 1.2, which is the lowest factor of safety compared to the minimum factor of safety of 1.5. This shows that the factor of the retaining wall that have been designed was long, and that slope, that retaining wall is going to fade. So as you look on the two pictures, the light picture shows the actual retaining wall on the site, and the left photo shows the model, and the output from the software shows that the result after the design shows that the factor of safety is not accurate, and the factor of safety of that slope is lower than the minimum factor of safety for retaining wall. So this shows that the retaining wall is going to fail. End time exactly when they could apply any traffic loading above the passive above the backfill. If they upload the traffic, that slope or that retaining wall is going to fade, as it is shown by the result of this from the software. So stay alert and stay patient, because this video is going to be uploaded very soon, showing how this retaining wall has been designed from the Plaxis-2D. Stay patient and stay ready. Keep being ready and stay calm. And if you didn't do a subscribe yet, it is your time to do so, because if you miss this video or other video that is going to be uploaded very soon, you will just lose a lot of things. So it is your time to do subscribe and just earn more knowledge and earn more different skills from how to design different things, mainly geotechnical aspect. So have a good day, engineers.